What's your marketing plan? This is a question that many marketing agencies will ask you. And a lot of organizations will say, here's the plan. And where we recognize at the very least that having a plan is important. Just like going to the gym, if you have a personal trainer, they're going to give you a plan. They know that if you do this, we can expect certain results. And it's going to give us to travel in a certain direction. I want to, reach this many people, so this is the plan on social media. So what is your team development plan? Do you have a team development plan, or is it just ad hoc here and there? Oh no, areas of weakness are showing over there. Let's quickly do something to patch it up. And that's really what it comes down to, is many organizations are simply patching things up, slapping some duct tape on something and hoping that it holds. But when we have a plan to actually make consistent, regular, focused, driven change within our organization and within our people, we make smarter and better financial investments within our team. Working with a client recently, and they at first wanted to do a team building event and a few other programs throughout the year. And we expressed to them, say, if we do what we call our maintenance plan, we can package together a few aspects. So we'll start off with a strategy session to understand where a team is. We'll begin with a 360 review. We'll interview the entire organization and get a pulse check on how everything is going. Based on that information, we'll do our strategy session and we'll say we need to go from a 2 out of 5 in culture to a 4 out of 5 in culture in the next 24 months. And how are we going to do this? Because that is the key step. That is the plan. We need to make calculated actions over time in regular intervals to actually move the needle forward. So what is your plan? What are you doing? What are you doing next month? What behaviors are you going to expect? What standards are you going to lift next month? This is all part of our team development plan that we should all have within our organization. Now, if you don't have one of these, reach out to us at Premier Team Building. We'd love to support you in exploring how this is done. Let's begin with a company-wide 360 review. We'll do an initial consult with you to set everything up to say, hey, this is where things currently are. If we do the following things over the next 12 months, we should expect to see the following changes. The investment over time is going to be this. Rather than randomly grabbing at things, having staff turnover at different points, breaks down in other areas. Regular, consistent maintenance is proven to be more cost effective over time. It's like taking your car to a mechanic or going to the dentist for your regular checkups. Consistency will always provide a cheaper outcome because you have consistent care. Your team deserves that same level of attention, as do your machines. So if you're ready to start investing within your people in a smart, safe, and constructed way, reach out to us at Premier Team Building and let's support you by improving your ecosystem within your culture. Remember, you got this.